Bodhi was started in 2011. At the end of my PhD, I realized there was a gap in the requirement and the readiness of children who were coming to school. That's when the idea of Bodhi came to mind. When we started Bodhi, we started with 6 children in a small house-like setup. Over the years, the school has built and the requirements have changed, and now you will find a 4-floor building equipped with an auditorium as well as a play area and sufficient space and fully equipped environment in the setup. So the word Bodhi comes from Buddha's enlightenment. It is based out of Sanskrit, and it essentially means one reaching enlightenment or his full potential. So at Bodhi, we try to give the child the foundation for all his requirements, maybe his physical development, his cognitive abilities, his language. Wherever the child wants to thrive, this place will give the base for all of this, through which we hope his holistic development will form the foundation for his greater success.